So guys, hey, I have a butterfly in my shed, watch. Here. Watch. So, that was the butterfly interruption. Now I'm going to show you how to change your air filter. That's on a R1200GS, very simple. I'm not going to renew it, because not so very long ago I already renewed it. So, oh, there's my butterfly again. Oh, bye bye. Yep, went out. Just give it a quick compressed air cleaning. That would be sufficient. So, first, that has to come off. And this. Okay. Over there is the air filter. That's Torx 25. Just need to loosen these two bolts, get the buddy seat off. Up. Out of the way. So, this panel has to come off, which is also easy. It's a Torx bolt over there. Okay, then one over here. This panel slides out too. Easy. Behind here is the air filter. To get it out, it's also easy. It's hooked in here, so you can use screwdriver and press it and slide it out. And I love to get them all the way out. Normally, hop these out. Hop. Little bit of interesting force. We got it out. What I did, watch. I once had a leaf stick in here. Now let's see. See, it's super clean. Yeah. It's brand new. 1,000 kilometers ago I renewed it. Kijk, wrote it on. So let's see. Give dit a quick sort of clean. Always look in here. If there is any oil, which is good. Hop, hop. Now, we first put this one in. This up. Yes. Make sure this one is super clean too. What I like to do with this one, to make it slide in more easy, because it is against pressing against the air filter, I use a bit of silicone spray. Oh, and a bit, I said. So now it slides in far more easy. Put some over there too. Oh wait. Hop. How easy this is. And it's nicely back in place. I got my two plastic things. Okay. Up, click one, and up, click two. Now it sits in here. That's good. That was all. It's so easy. It's so easy. Fall in love. It's so easy. Now guys, what I noticed is that this panel, even kijken, hier. I zoom in, you can see it better. Here. This is, even kijken, sitting like there, and it over here you can also see it. Wait a minute. Here, see? Not good. I'm gonna take my Dremel and cut it a bit out here, so it doesn't, yeah, pinch into that plastic. Always use safety glasses when using tools like this. Now, over here we need Dremel a bit out, so it's a bit more, but I'm sure now it sits way better like this, and then it needs to slide. So let's see. Kijk. Now it still has some play, which is good. Now, tight, but not too tight. Okay, then over here. Up tight enough. And first, let's see how much. Yeah, see, much better. Now we have, kijk, some play. Even kijken, moest die er zo op? Yep. This one. Buddy seat back. So guys, it was my video about how to change an air filter on a BMW R1200GS, an oil-cooled mine. As you saw, it's drop dead easy. You can do it by yourself with a few tools. My video, well, save a few dollars, euros. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please consider a subscription to my channel. I really would appreciate that. And if you have something to say, please put it in the comments over there. And for now, Old Mechanic out.